So here we have 5 mobile phones and a tablet. These mobile phones are the very first mobile phone ever made by Google, the Google Nexus S. And I deliberately chose these phones because it is a very compelling demonstration of being able to repurpose these phones. These phones are running the very latest version of Android, and they have been modified to be able to support the mesh network, similarly to this tablet over here. Start firing up these little babies over here, the phones in this tablet. This is the tablet starting up, and you can see that it's going to boot CyanogenMod, which is the modified version of the Android operating system that all these devices are running. Okay, so here we have Julius, who's going to help us with the demo today. We're going to take these phones and distribute them all over this beautiful property. He's going to go off in one direction, I'm going to go off in the other direction, and we're going to communicate with each other. Okay, let's go. Julius, we'll see you in a while. I'm going to leave the first one in the tree over there. Second one we'll just leave here on top of this little bird cage. Just going to put the next one over here on top of this little electric panel. Okay. I'm going to put it in this one over here, in this tree over here. Okay, so here we see a number of the phones actually showing that they're communicating with each other, so the mesh network is up and running. You can see the mesh network visualizer program, which shows all of the different nodes talking to each other. This is an application called Push to Talk, which was developed for the disaster relief application for this mesh network. It actually runs on the intranet. You don't need an internet connection. It's just phone to phone or tablet to phone communication. So Julius is off in the woods over there, and we're going to see if we can talk to him. Hey Julius, are you there?
Hey Peter, how's it going in your neck of the woods?
We're doing great, thanks. Here we are. We're in the middle of a disaster, and we are communicating with each other exactly how we're going to best take care of the people that need us. Okay, now we're going to try and run the internet. Here's my little browser button. Pull that up and see if we can bring up 3WDroid. Look at that. I'd just like you to imagine for a moment that you're not in the beautiful redwoods of Santa Cruz, California, but you got transported yourself to the middle of nowhere into the heart of Africa. And this tablet over here is in the hands of some young kid who wants nothing more than to be able to make a better life for him and his family. This type of technology can be extremely transformative for these very underprivileged, poorest people of the planet. And the most important thing is that it doesn't cost you $40 to $60 a month for these types of data services that you have to pay for in a first world country like the United States. Okay, finally, I'd like to thank Julius for helping out in this demo. Julius, thank you very much for helping. You've been a huge asset in this demo.
No problem, Peter. Thanks for the compliment.
Okay, see you soon. Let's pick up the phones and go. I'd like to thank a couple of people for helping me get to this point of the project so far. First of all, Jeff Roble from the MITRE Corporation. He has given me unwavering support in helping me get the software developed, and he's shown incredible patience with me. Him and his team are the people that wrote the original open source version of this mesh network software, and I would never have got to this point without him, and I hope that we can take it to the next stage with him and his support. Secondly, I'd like to thank Pete Bingham, an ex-colleague of mine, who helped write this website. And finally, I'd really like to thank my beautiful daughter Miranda for making this video. Her and her sister Mariel are the love of my life, and I cannot tell you how much I appreciate her for everything that she does for me.